Realme 5 launched August 2029. After 1.5 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. Phone built with front glass and plastic frame and plastic back. Overall build quality is okay. The phone comes with 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution 720x16 pixel with 2069 ppi density. The phone is 82.7 skin to body ratio. So overall Realme 5 display is pretty well, average quality 720p. By the way, Realme 5 and Realme 5i is almost same phone, same processor, same camera and same design. 2021, the phone running Android 10 with Realme UI 1. The phone using chipset Snapdragon 665 or CPU using octa-core 4 into 2.0 GHz and GPU using Adreno 610, and this is 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM variant. Snapdragon 665 is not a bad processor. This is also very good processor. You can play any types of game in a medium and low graphics. I am playing Call of Duty in a very high graphics and high frame rate, and my gaming experience is pretty well. By the way, if you want to watching 2021 Call of Duty mobile on Realme 5, I am already making a video about that. Video link in my video description below and in the I button. Realme 5 comes with quad camera setup, 12 megapixel primary lens with 1.8 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth 2.2 aperture with LED flash. Realme 5 comes with single 13 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Realme 5 main camera, you can record high 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 120 and 240 fps slow-mo video. So now talk about the picture quality. You can take a very good picture in a daylight. Picture quality is excellent. This phone also have a dedicated night mode, so you can take a very good picture in a night mode. So overall you can take a very good picture with Realme 5 and Realme 5i. So let's move on the battery. Realme 5 comes with big 5000 mAh battery with 10W fast charger. So you can easily use the phone more than one day. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by face unlock and fingerprint scanner. Face unlock speed and fingerprint scanner speed pretty well. After almost 1 year, this phone performs pretty well. All the app opening and closing is pretty well. So overall Realme 5 is still worth it 2021. This phone have a very good processor with a very good camera. So this is all about Realme 5 2021 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.